Hello everyone. Many students are asking me one doubt again and again. If I go to LinkedIn or if I go to YouTube, if I go to any social media, right? So many people are messaging me also. Sir, only 9 months are left out. Can I crack the GATE exam? Will I get the top rank if I start now? I think it's the perfect time. Trust me, it is the perfect time. You are not late. It is the perfect time. But if you waste one more minute also from now onwards, it is going to be very tough to you, right? It's the perfect time. You can start now. You have 9 months time, so 5 months complete syllabus, 4 more months do practice. In those 5 months, push yourself few months, 2 to 3 months, you push your level best so that you can complete maximum syllabus. It is a really possible. I seen some people in 4 months only they cracked gate exam. I seen some people in 5 months, some people in 6 months, some people in 7 months. I seen most of the people. I seen most of the people so who cracked the examination, right? Approximately 8 months, 9 months. It is a really possible. Without wasting one more minute, also please start now. Right? Plan should be 5 months to complete syllabus, 4 months for practice. One new batch starting from the 1st May onwards. For more details, right, the WhatsApp number which is shown, right, you can WhatsApp us or you can go to website, you will get to know more details. For GATE CSE, GATE DA and GATE CSE, GATE DA both, and GATE CSE plus placement course also, right? So I hope this video is useful to you, right? So thank you so much.